Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. It's super easy, so let's get started. Start by opening Instagram. Next, open the Settings menu. Then, go to the Account Center. Click on Your Information and Permissions. After that, tap on Download Your Information. Now, tap on Download or Transfer Information. Then, choose your Instagram account and tap Next. Click on it, and from the list, select only Followers and Following. Now, tap on Download to Device. Set the date range to All Time and hit Create Files. Now, just wait a bit and you'll get an email from Instagram with your data. Next, open your email. Now, open the email from Instagram and click the link that says Download Your Information. You'll be taken to Instagram's download page. Go ahead and click Download. Just enter your password and the download will start. Once it's done, extract the file and open it. Here's the extracted folder. Navigate to the Connections folder, then open the Followers and Following folder inside it. These are the two important files. Now, open ChatGPT and simply upload both files there. Now, type in this prompt, or just copy and paste it from the description below, then click Send. Once that's done, just download and open the text file. It'll show you the list of users who don't follow you back. Now you can see the users who don't follow you back. Just copy and paste each username on Instagram and unfollow them one by one. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.